So today I'm going to show you a very simple tool by which you can take screenshots and also you can play around with some of the edits. So that tool is basically the snipping tool in Windows. So stay tuned till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how you can use that particular new feature in Windows. This is Sonit from Techie Trickle. So once you're logged into your desktop, now on the search bar that you see here, you can type here snipping. Now once you do that, this tool comes up and this is the look and feel of this particular tool. Now right now in Windows 10, what I'm noticing is they have actually separated the snipping tool, which you see with the red band with the scissors. So previously they used to have this button here with a drop down that would actually show you the 4 snips that you can see under mode. So they have actually separated the menu in this particular way. So it's okay, I'm okay with that. So the best snip I would say is the rectangular snip. So I have been using this snip for ages now, I would say, and I have faced no issues. And I thought, if you are new to this snipping tool, then it might really help you in your day-to-day activities as well. So how would you take a rectangular snip? So let me open up my blog, and inside my blog, if I would want to take a snip of this, so I come back to the snip, and if I click on new, just remember one thing, if you select the mode, whichever mode you would select, so if it's a rectangular mode, it would select it as a rectangular way. So I'll show you exactly how to do it. So I click on new, and if I take this part and if I release my mouse, then you would see that it comes up, the snip is actually taken, and you can go ahead and save this in 3 different formats, that is the JPEG, GIF and the PNG. Now you can write something here, so this is the pen option. If I click on this, you would see the pen options here. So if you write something here and if you want to erase it, you can go ahead and erase that part as well. Now there is this option of delay. So delay means that the snip would be taken after so many seconds. So if I click on 2 seconds, so it means that the snip would be taken after 2 seconds and not instantly. So let me go back to no delay here. So that was the basic functionalities of the snipping tool. So as I promised that I would show you a new interesting feature that Windows is actually coming up with, let me go ahead and show you that option. So in snipping tool, you would see a section that comes up at the bottom, and many people have actually, they have not seen this or observed this, but this actually is a really improved feature of Windows snipping tool. So if I click on try snip and sketch, so see what happens. So there would be a window that opens up like this, and if I click on new, there would be a toolbar that comes up on top of your screen. So again, it has these options of snips. So I wouldn't be going into that, but see what happens. So if I click on the rectangular snip and if I take this, the snip comes up in the Snip and Sketch portal, and here you would find different options that actually come up for your use. So you have a ballpoint pen, you have a pencil, and you have a highlighter as well. So see how it actually works. So if I take say a ballpoint pen and I write something here and I want to erase this, I showed you in the previous part also, so you can go ahead and erase that part. So there is nothing new here except that it adds a new bit of features here. But what excited me is that you can actually go ahead and highlight this part, whichever parts you want, you can go ahead and highlight that. If you want to erase something that you wouldn't be wanting, you can go ahead and select that part and you can go ahead and erase that part as well. But if you come just to the right of this, there is this ruler here you would see. So you can see this ruler that comes up here, and I can now actually draw a highlight, say sorry, let me take a pen, maybe I'll go with yellow. Okay, and if I just put a line here, just see how it happens. So it behaves like your physical ruler, right? So you can go ahead and actually use this in your notes if you're taking notes, or maybe if you're underlining something, you can go ahead and use this particular ruler. Not only a ruler, it also has the protractor as well. So if you use the protractor and you want to draw a circle, you can go ahead and draw this seamlessly, right? So you can draw this seamlessly. You do not want to draw a full circle, a half circle, whatever is your need, you can go ahead and do that. So this is something which I found really exciting, and you can use it in different ways as you would want, maybe for your short designing, or maybe for your school assignments, and you need to draw something really quick. You can use this and it can help you. Again, for saving, those are the same bit of options that you see here is the PNG, JPG and GIF. Now I would really appreciate if you can give me a like and also subscribe to my channel, clicking the notification bell so that you are notified as soon as I come up with such videos again. Please share this video with all your friends and family in social media, because YouTube likes that engagement. Now there are 2 videos that are coming up right now on your screen, so please make sure that you watch them till the end. Till the next time, bye bye.